Alright guys, question of the day. McDonald's or Jollibee? At bakit ko natanong yon? Because tomorrow's 2 drops are extra spicy. Isa doon ay naka-wrap sa McDonald's wrapper. And isa din doon ay nakatago inside a Jollibee wrapper. Pero wait, merong pang third drop. A mystery, a surprise. Wala pang clue. Pero it could appear anytime and anywhere. So keep your eyes open. Manood ka lang for the exact location and time. Are you the lucky one who's gonna find it? Masaswertehan ka ba na makita mo yon? Kaya hit like and smash that subscribe button and mag-ready ka lang. Because in Finders Keepers, the fastest one wins.